Hello there, I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to our weekly news roundup, brought to you by Allied Finishers, specialists in hygiene and safety solutions tailored to the food and beverage industry from the floor up. In the news this week, Mars Wrigley continues its investment in regional manufacturing, announcing a $25.5 million investment in its Ballarat factory. The company invested $30 million last year, building on previous multi-million dollar investments over the course of its 40-year tenure in Ballarat. This latest investment will go towards improving its raw cocoa and melted chocolate production, something I think we can all get behind. It will also go towards expanding its production capabilities, sustainable packaging development, and finding other efficiencies. Food tech company Maggie Beer has created a cultivated lamb meat prototype. So all of you with young children who won't eat the delicious meat, apologies non-meat eaters, because of how cute little lambs are, will have a complete workaround. With cells from a skin biopsy taken from a lamb called Lucy, who Maggie Beer assures us is happily gambling in a field somewhere in New South Wales. The company says its cultivated lamb will be on the market by 2024. Amazing. Maggie Beer Holdings has sold its dairy asset, St David Dairy, to Goulburn Valley Creamery. MBH had said it was looking to sell its dairy assets after a strategic review earlier in the year deemed them non-core assets. Plant-based business Cale&Daughters, which manufactures Made with Plants, Plant Asia and Get Planted, has announced a joint venture with one of Israel's largest agricultural co-ops called V-Garden. The JV will be based in Brisbane and will produce vegan cheeses and deli meats. Bellamy's is joining the ranks of Australian infant formula companies, helping to ease the US infant formula shortage. Its first shipment is heading off this week, and it's one of only a handful of companies offering organic options in the 20 businesses that are supplying infant formula to the US. Perfection Fresh has acquired the processed and packed fruit and veg company Tess Fresh. CEO Michael Simonetta said it would expand Perfection's current capabilities in fresh prepared and ready-to-eat produce. Tess Fresh's business manager, Chantel Tesoriero, will join Perfection and head up its convenience division. And finally, the Jobs and Skills Summit has come and gone. Much was discussed, debated and earmarked for committees and white papers. It was encouraging to see civil debate and unexpected and unlikely collaborations. But I can't help but come back to the comments from the Chancellor of UTS, Catherine Livingstone, who said that it felt a little bit like Groundhog Day. She recalled Kevin Rudd's Australia 2020 summit in 2008 and said that had meaningful action been taken then, we would be seeing the first cohort of students entering our tertiary system now better equipped with competencies and skills to take advantage of today's opportunities. Now, if we go on that for too long, frustration may cause a bit of a rage stroke, I think. Still, as the saying says, the best time to start was then, the second best time is now. So, here's to our leaders and us being noisy and not letting the issues raised last week be relegated to navel-gazing and committee graveyards. Now, as you excuse me while I get off my high horse, head to the website for these stories and more, foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. Thanks again to Allied Finishers. And with that, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.